Suffer Forest One here, and today, welcome back to Granny Chapter 2. Anyway, so I actually never got a shotgun before. Plus, I'm doing this for the first time. And if you guys want to see more, plus, last video we did the boat escape, but we still got a couple more videos on Granny Chapter 2 to go until we make it to Granny 3. So you guys want more? Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Make sure, let's see if you could get like 10,000 likes. I will make more Granny Chapter 2 videos. Anyways, we're gonna do it in normal mode. Okay, day 1. That's gonna make noise. Granny and Grandpa. I love Grandpa said, "Oh, see you." Oh, there she is. Plus, he didn't see me. Okay, we must wait for Granny. Granny, there you are. Granny, where are you, Granny? Oh, where are you, Granny? That's what I'm gonna say. Wait, I will protect the vase. Grandpa's. That's gonna make Granny and Grandpa here. And I need to go. Country pliers, okay, we need that. Boat key. No, we already did the boat escape in the last video. We're not doing that again. Oh, Jesus. I mean, okay. Oh! No, go right here.
You want to play?
I can hear their footsteps. They're coming. Can you see? I will jump here. Okay, that's gonna make Granny and Grandpa go. I don't know what. What's this? Door lock. What was that? Oh, jeez. No, go. Anything. Literally anything. Oh, yes, that's what I needed.
Do you want to play hide?
We'll get the weapon key later. We found a weapon key, but we need it for later. Okay then. Boom. Boom. Oh, I thought she sees me. Door handle. Okay, we need that. Oh. Hello there. Granny. You leave me alone, Granny. No, go. Get inside. Gasoline can? No, we don't need that, okay? Okay. Good spider baby. Okay, let's get the weapon key. But we need to see me. Okay. He must be inside with that control room. What was that? On the country menu. Okay, I don't know what else should I get. I just drop it? So that's gonna make Granny here. I need to oh my god, there's the camera. I need to avoid the camera. Boom. Okay, we did it now. We'll get the shotgun for later. Yeah, we'll need the shotgun for later. Can I leave this? Ow! I can't open the door yet. Why are you in there? Just go ahead. Oh no.
There you are.
No, go. No, go. No. Go under the bed. Please, don't tell me that he didn't. Don't tell me that he sees me. Oh, thank God he didn't see me.
I'm hungry.
What do you mean you're hungry? You said, I'm hungry. What do you mean you're hungry, huh? Okay. Now it's my chance to explore down here. Ooh, look at this octopus. What octopus? That octopus, okay? That octopus, okay? Hide. I can hear their footsteps. They're coming. Ding ding. Okay, now time to get the shotgun. Oh no. Okay. Boom. Boom. I got the shotgun, guys. There we go. Boom! Oh, there you are, Grandpa.
I see you.
Oh, I see you. That's right, Grandpa. That's what you get, man. That's what you get. Okay. So we need that for here, right? Okay. Right. Now we need it here. And then we will be able to go up here. Oh, now let's see what's in here. Boat steering wheel. Duct tape? No, we don't need that. Okay. Okay, we did it. Now, let's do that. Who are you? Okay. Padlock key. Okay, good. We need that. We need it for the door. What? There's bullets here. Boom. Give me all those bullets you need. Boom. Make sure they're not here, not here, not here. I don't see them. What was that? Oh, it's just... Boom. Come here, Granny. Come here, Granny. Oh, no!
There you are.
Got you. Now Granny's coming. And boom! Yay! Woo! Now, all I need to do is go. Boom. Oh yeah, we need that. Stop it. Stop it. Boom. Boom. Okay, where's... Hello? No one? Okay, I guess time to go. Sorry, Spider Baby. Plus, I'll make a video soon of Slenderman's child. I'm coming! Got you. Okay. Now it's time to throw a grenade. Boom. Grandpa?
I see you.
Oh, see you. Boom. We need that chroma. How do we need that? Boom. Now we need is the padlock key, and then I think we're done. Yeah! We did it again, guys. The end. Yay! We did it. Okay, guys, that was Granny Chapter 2. Woo, I finally got the shotgun. But if you guys want more, like I said, if this video gets 10,000 likes, I'll make more Granny Chapter 2 videos. Plus, if the video does not get 10,000 likes, yeah, I will still make more Granny Chapter 2 videos. But make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell, and follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, or Discord, where else. Follow me there, where else get roast. So yeah, bye.